Footwork to build sharpness and control. Plyometrics to tap into pure explosiveness. Strength to keep building that foundation. Basketball skill work for IQ and to stay well polished. This is strategic. This is ITM. We build them from the ground up. Speed, power, skill, mentality. If you're hungry to be great, then come sharpen your edge. This is where potential turns into performance. Top tier results that don't come from average work. They come from ITM. Let's work.
There you go. Yup. Drop.